As we all know, there are tons of ways to create passive income, and the reason it's so appealing is because, let's be honest, there's nothing more exciting than making money without having to do much work. Especially in today's world, where we're all thinking about money, business, and our jobs more than ever. We're living in a post-pandemic era, where floods and natural disasters keep happening, and we're facing a global economic crisis. A lot of people lost their jobs because of the war in Eastern Europe, and peace doesn't seem to be on the horizon anytime soon. And as if that's not enough, AI is evolving so fast that it's already doing jobs better than humans, and it might even replace us in the next 10 years. It's no secret that all of these social and economic factors have made people rethink some of their life choices, like discovering smart ways to work during the pandemic. Once epidemic hit, we saw a massive shift where people moved away from their office jobs to something that didn't even require them to get out of bed, jump in the car, or hop on public transportation. No more working 9 to 5, stuck in traffic going home, and repeating the same thing over and over to make the same amount of money they could have made from home. If there was ever a moment when people realized the power of passive income, it was during the 2020 pandemic. One way to create passive income that not a lot of people know about is by selling your voice on AI platforms. Verified Voices from Kits Earn is a great example of a platform that builds an ethical voice library, making sure singers get compensated for the AI models created with their voices. Now, singers on Kits can share their unique voice either anonymously or publicly and earn passive income, all while maintaining full control over their privacy. Want to know how you can start earning passive income from your voice on Kits Earn? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Sign up and connect your account. Head over to the Kits Earn website and create a user account. After signing up, link your bank account or preferred payment method so you can get paid when your voice is used. Step 2. Create or choose a voice model. If you want to create a new voice model, prepare a high-quality audio dataset with 60 minutes of clean vocals. No effects, no background noise. Use Kits training tools to create your voice model. Note: model creation is currently only available for premium users. So if you're interested, reach out to outreach@kits.ai for more info. If you prefer, you can select an existing voice model that's already been trained and submit it for review. Step 3. Submit your voice for review on Kits Earn's Monetize page. Choose Submit Voice to start the approval process. Provide details about your model, including a description, tags, and 3 high-quality outputs. You can add links to your social media if you want to showcase your voice along with your public profile. To verify your voice, record a voice response. Once you've completed the submission, Kits Earn will review your voice and you'll receive email updates on its status. Step 4. Track your earnings and get paid. After your voice is approved, you'll be able to track your earnings based on how much your voice is used. Kits Earn will pay you on time and in compliance with all regulations. Benefits of joining Kits Earn. Passive income. Make money from your voice without having to perform all the time. Full control. You decide how your voice is used and can choose to share it anonymously or publicly. Fair compensation. Rest assured you'll be fairly paid whenever your voice is used in an AI model. Look, not everyone has the perfect voice, and that's totally okay. If you don't have a great singing voice or don't feel confident about it, no worries. There are still tons of ways to earn passive income that you can explore. What really matters is that you're willing to learn and take action today. If this video gave you some ideas or inspired you, whether it's about using your voice or something else, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more cool ways to make money that I'll be sharing. We've got plenty more opportunities to explore and build a promising future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.